Today, we're diving into a tough but real question. How do we live when wealth gaps keep widening and discouragement keeps creeping in?
Right? Many people feel overwhelmed. They see inequality growing daily and it feels unfair. But the question is, how should we face it without falling into despair?
One idea is perspective. If you can still eat, if you can still work, then you're not completely lost. That reminder itself can shift the way we see our struggle.
True, but isn't it easy to think, why me? Why so much hardship?
Yes, but that's where gratitude helps. Every circumstance has a reason, even the hard ones. Seeing that your current position was shaped for you can create a sense of purpose.
So instead of focusing on what you lack, focus on what you can still do joyfully.
Exactly. Work with energy, treat people with patience, even when they slip. That attitude protects you from falling into deeper poverty.
But then, what about those who are already poor? Shouldn't society just give them money to survive?
And that's a big question. Giving without conditions may seem kind, but nature has laws. If someone hasn't done the work or learned the lesson, free money can actually harm.
Sounds harsh, though. Aren't we supposed to be compassionate?
Compassion doesn't mean indulgence. Real help is giving someone fair work, then fair pay. Otherwise, both sides suffer, the giver and the receiver.
Like training a muscle. If you just hand strength to someone, they'll never build it. They need resistance, challenge.
Perfect analogy. Hardship shapes us into capable people. If someone earns even a little, they stand with dignity, not with dependence.
That flips the way we see welfare. Maybe instead of charity, it's about responsibility, helping people discover their own power.
Yes, and policies will likely shift toward that. No more free handouts, but opportunities matched with effort. That way, society grows stronger, not weaker.
It's not about cruelty, but clarity. When people taste the weight of their choices, they wake up, and that awakening is the real gift.
So maybe the right mindset is don't resent inequality, but ask, what is this situation teaching me? How can I rise through it?
And that turns despair into fuel. You're not crushed by inequality, you're sharpened by it.
Exactly. And that's how we keep moving forward with gratitude, effort, and resilience.
Then let's leave this thought with our listeners. Instead of waiting for the world to be fair, how can you make your current struggle meaningful?
That's the question worth carrying today.